everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you what I did on my 25th day in this 100 days of coding challenge. If you are new to this challenge and want to learn interesting things related to coding, then follow my 100 days of code challenge playlist and even watch my previous video where I've started building this project. Try to be consistent if you are serious about it. Yesterday we have created an interface for users. It has all movies and their info. Today let's make this interface a bit more interesting and responsive, so let's style it. Are you ready? Let's work on this part then. this is what I've done today. I completed working on the movies app. We can add some more interesting features, like if we tap on this movie thumbnail, it must not only have description and it must also have the link of the movie and many more interesting stuff like that. I can do this, but I want you to work on it. Take this assignment as a challenge and complete it. If we tap on the movie, I must see the details about it, and I must also see the link related to it. If possible, try to work on it. Let me know through comments how you did it and how you felt while learning it. I will be waiting for your comments. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you'll never miss an update from my 100 days of coding challenge and other interesting coding stuff. Thank you.